Kumusta guys? Ngayong araw samahan niyo ako mag-react dito sa isang cover song ng bandang Mission Souls. Ito yung Top of the World ng Carpenters. Pakinggan natin kung gaano kahusay ang bandang Mission Souls. Ang swabe nung intro. Talagang si Prado nila, no?
Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes and
Ang ganda talaga ng boses ni Stacy. Abangan natin kung duet sila dito ni Mami Sheena.
won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be.
Ayun, duet nga sila. Ang ganda nung tunog ng keyboard ni Nasis, ano?
Is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that
Sa mga fans ng Carpenters, guys, anong taon sumikat itong kanta na to? Ayan, i-comment nyo lang guys sa ating comment section.
I've seen. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found.
Panalo yung harmony nila dito.
Ever since you've been around, your love's put me at the top of the world.
Ayun, no? Yakang-yaka lang ni Nasis yung keyboard. Plakadong plakado.
Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same.
Yung tunog ng gitara ni Neisha, parang 60s, no? Yung mga tunog ng gitara ng mga 60s. Napaka-classic.
In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. When this day's through, I hope that I will find.
Napaka-smooth lang ng pagbe-bass ni Daddy Second dito. Pati yung palo ni Ice, talagang wala masyadong rolling. Simple-simple lang yung palo.
That tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need will be mine if you are here. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation
Ito yung kantang Never Malalaos. Yung mga kanta ng Carpenters talagang lahat magaganda.
I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. I'm on the
Pati si Ice kumakanta rin Nagbaback-up. Pero wala siyang mic. Kumakanta lang.
top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world.
Ano sa palagay nyo guys? Nakuha ba nila yung tamang tunog doon sa original? Ayan, i-comment nyo lang guys ang mga komento nyo at reaction sa ating comment section. Napakaswabe nung patapos. Lapit talaga ng banda Mission Souls. Napangiti pa si Naces. O di ba guys, talagang napaka-solid ng tugtugan ng Bandang Mission Souls. Kaya ano pa hinintay nyo? Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel, mag-subscribe na kayo guys. Suportahan natin ang talentong Pinoy. At sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa ating munting channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating content. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.